Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The promise of book-style foldable phones is to give you a tablet-sized screen that you can fold down to a normal phone-sized footprint, and the Google Pixel Fold 2 could come closer to delivering on that promise than most of the best foldable phones. According to Ross Young, a leaker with a good track record for screen details, posting on X, the Google Pixel Fold 2 will have an 8.02-inch foldable screen and a 6.29-inch cover screen. For comparison, the original Google Pixel Fold has a 7.6-inch foldable screen and a 5.8-inch cover display, so that would make both screens on the Pixel Fold 2 significantly bigger. It would also bring the foldable screen more in line with a tablet when you consider that the iPad mini 2021, which is the latest model, is only a little bigger at 8.3 inches. Likewise, a 6.29-inch cover screen would make it more smartphone-sized than its predecessor when folded shut. It would actually be bigger than the 6.2-inch Google Pixel 8. Those screen sizes would also have most other foldable phones beat, with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, for example, having a 7.6-inch foldable screen and a 6.2-inch cover display. Young also claims that the Pixel Fold 2 has a wide cover screen, like the current model, and that panel production for the phone is starting in April, which hopefully means we won't be waiting too long for the phone to launch. The Tensor G4 is said to be dedicated to the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, but there is a possibility that it powers the innards of the Pixel Fold 2, and with the device rumored to support up to 16 GB RAM on paper, this handset has impressed us already. One of the most significant advantages of the Tensor G4 is that it will reportedly adopt the Exynos 2400's FOWLP technology, which helps in heat resistance, allowing the chipset to run at its maximum performance threshold for much longer, resulting in a higher multi-core score. Hopefully this time the Pixel Fold 2 will not be a disappointing launch. This is all good news, with our only concern being that the bezels on the original Pixel Fold are quite large, so if Google doesn't shrink them this year, those larger screen sizes might make the phone a little unwieldy. Still, if it does have larger screens, that could be a sign that the bezels will be smaller, and indeed leaked Pixel Fold 2 renders have also suggested that the bezels have shrunk. It's unclear when we'll find out for sure, as while the original Pixel Fold landed in May last year, one rumor points to an October launch for the Pixel Fold 2, alongside the Google Pixel 9. It could be worth the wait though, because along with larger screens, other leaks point to a powerful chipset, a new design, and an extra camera, which could make it one of the best folding smartphones out there.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.